I go by Hard Tuned on Bring a Trailer, and this is Conrad Stevenson's 1959 Fiat 600 Multipla. The name Conrad Stevenson is widely known for the restoration and racing of significant Alfa Romeos, from pre-war cars like his 6C2600 to 1900s, Giuliettas, Pebble Beach Concours-bound restorations like this Giulia TZ1, and building and driving this modified SS to a class victory at the La Carrera Panamericana in Mexico. First, a question to Conrad. Why this?
This is a Fiat 600 Multipla, and I first saw one of these just off the Adriatic in Italy in 1988 during the Mille Miglia. My brother had a 600 sedan, and it was so much fun to drive, even though it only had second gear. I love small cars with lots of space inside.
And it shared window mechanisms with a Giulietta Sprint Lightweight. Of note, this one has the fold-down 4 to 5 seat configuration shown in the lower image. Before we take both of Conrad's Multiplas out for a spin, yes, he has two, here are some quick facts on the car up for auction here on Bring a Trailer. It was first sold in California in 1959 and has remained in the state for its entire life. Stevenson performed an extensive multi-year restoration on the car. While it retains a very stock appearance, this one has been modified with a later 903cc engine and gearbox from a Fiat 850, giving it a bit more punch than your average 600 Multipla. wheel with Conrad Stevenson.
Go back that other way.
Okay, more fun?
Yeah, I think so. Well, yeah.
Be sure to check out the in-depth walk-around video, where we'll spend some more time with Conrad Stevenson and discuss the history, restoration, and modifications on this Fiat 600 Multipla. We'll take a closer look inside, outside, and underneath this endearing little car.